This video is about depopulation of the world. And if this is true, that Agenda 2030, then it is true that population will be controlled near 50 to 60 crores in all over the world. And this vaccination is not a complete way, not a perfect way. It's a harmful and very dangerous for humanity who are alive on this earth. But now some powerful people are trying to do one world, one nation, one government, one army. It's okay, Vasundhaiva Kutumbakam. There is no problem about this. But there is the best way is still find a way, the different way. And the way is giving a license to parent who having a license to giving birth to the child for any newborn child or any new child. They compulsory has a license. Without license, no one can giving birth on only one child through the one father. It can be the way and very good way to depopulation, to control the population on the earth. This is true. We having very limited resources and population is going high and high. It's very necessary to control the population. But like this, with the vaccine, killing them is not good way. It's not humanity. But you can control the population with giving the license. Only licensed people can give the birth to the child. And mother, if there is one mom and one father, they can give only one. They can give the birth to one child. One father can give the birth to one child only if he changes the woman also. It the change the women's. If in some religions or if someone has 2 or 3 wives, but still the compulsion is that it should be compulsory to giving birth to only one child in his whole life. Otherwise not. If in some case a child can die, child died, then he is again can get approval for one more child. Otherwise, no. This is the perfect way. Otherwise, this Agenda 2030 and after giving vaccination, people will be multi-organ people will enter in multi-organ dysfunctions, and they will die in 2 and 3 years, after 2 and 3 years, with kidney problems and heart problems. This is not a perfect way. My dear, all the powerful people and all the population of the earth, please try to understand this topic, this thing, and think about it, please. This is it. Otherwise, all will die in a wrong way. That's it. I don't want to say anything more. This is the perfect way. Thank you.